alarm clock screams I usually hear. I never wanna leave my bed, that's clear. But every single day I make a choice to listen to my mom's loud, happy voice. I frequently eat cereal in a bowl. It's a part of my morning, here we go. I brush my teeth, I grab my pack, and every day I don't look back. It's the simple present, that's the rule. The routine rhythm for home and school. Some things are always, some things are maybe. My regular life, keeping it steady. At school I often raise my hand, trying to understand this crazy land. My best friend Jake, we sometimes talk, or from time to time we take a walk. I seldom start my homework right, that big assignment out of sight. I hardly ever check it twice. I finish fast, things will be nice. It's the simple present, that's the rule. The routine rhythm for home and school. Some things are always, some things are maybe. My regular life, keeping it steady. Now and then I pick up a book, a brand new world in every nook. I rarely watch a film past 9, but once in a blue moon it feels fine. Usually I grab my skateboard or ball, cause every day my friends are ready to call. We hang out from dusk till dawn. So that's my life, my simple beat. From my head down to my feet.